Hello, students, teachers, parents, history nerds. Hello, everybody, and welcome to Nutshelled History, where we lay out the facts, the good, the bad, and the ugly. We are continuing our ancient history series by looking at the Assyrian and Persian Empire. Don't forget that there's a link for a fill-in-the-blank worksheet in the description. I just ask that you like and subscribe. I apologize for any mispronunciations ahead of time. I do my best. Hundreds of years after Hammurabi's death in 1750 BCE, the Assyrians of northern Mesopotamia united the region again. In time, the Assyrian Empire gave way to the powerful Persian Empire. How did the Assyrian and Neo-Babylonian empires develop? Assyria lay north of Babylon on the Tigris River. The Assyrians built a strong army. This force featured some of the world's earliest cavalry, or soldiers who fight while riding horses. The Assyrians also used strong iron weapons. From the mid-800s to the mid-600s BCE, they built a large empire. The Assyrian Empire stretched north from the Persian Gulf across the entire Fertile Crescent and southwest into Egypt. Like Sargon and Hammurabi, Assyrian rulers found that controlling a large empire was difficult. Civil wars and enemy attacks weakened the empire. It was replaced by what is called the Neo-Babylonian Empire. How did the Persian Empire rise? In 539 BCE, Babylon and the rest of Mesopotamia fell under the control of the powerful Persian Empire. This was the largest empire the world had ever seen. In time, the Persians extended their empire to also include areas of Africa, Asia, and even Europe. Persia's rapid growth was due to its large and highly skilled standing army, a permanent army of professional soldiers. Persia's government and religion. To keep order in this vast empire, the Persians gave local people some control over their own government. They were also allowed to keep their local laws and traditions. At the same time, the Persians developed a strong central government. For example, they developed a common currency money. Having a single type of money helped unify the Persian economy and made it easier for distant provinces to trade with one another. The Persians also built a network of roads across the empire so that trade goods and postal messages could travel faster. Zoroastrianism became the official religion of the empire, although conquered people could worship their own gods. Arts of Mesopotamia. Unlike art produced by earlier world cultures, the arts of ancient Mesopotamia give us a glimpse of daily life. Carved stone seals identified the owner of an object by leaving the owner's personal mark stamped in clay. Sumerians also carved statues of people that, for the first time in history, looked like real humans. Other Mesopotamians carved reliefs on walls, buildings, and stone slabs. Assyrians decorated structures with colorful tiles and bricks that formed elaborate patterns and images of real and imagined animals. And now, the nutshell. After Hammurabi's rule wrapped up around 1750 BCE, the Assyrians up north decided they'd try empire building next, and they didn't mess around. With iron weapons, horse-riding warriors, and a serious attitude, they conquered everything from the Persian Gulf to Egypt. But managing a mega empire proved tricky, just like it had for Hammurabi. And after a few civil wars and angry neighbors, the Neo-Babylonians took over. Eventually, in 539 BCE, the Persians swooped in like the overachievers of the ancient world and built the largest empire Earth had ever seen, complete with a pro-army, efficient roads, a unified currency, and a live-and-let-worship policy. Meanwhile, Mesopotamian artists left behind incredible works showing real people, mythical beasts, and enough tile work to put your kitchen backsplash to shame. There you have it, folks. That is the Assyrian and Persian empires nutshelled. Thanks for stopping by Nutshelled History. Don't forget to enlarge my empire by going nuts on those like and subscribe buttons for me. Okay, I'll see y'all next time on Nutshelled History.